Okay, guys, so going through the white paper, we're nearly there, but should we go through a couple of the recommendations?
Yeah.
Cool. So I think the quickest or the most effective recommendation that we can give is to really re-look at our vision statement. So we did a survey and we went out, just an informal survey, we went and asked 30 people, hey, what's our vision statement? Only 3 out of 30 were able to correctly identify it.
Wow, that's low.
A lot of people thought it was our purpose to open up the world for those who want to see, but no, it's not. It's to become the most exciting and profitable travel retailer on earth by personally delivering amazing travel experiences to our people, our customers, and our partners. So I think that order even could be, based on what we've discussed with the companies like Tesla and Amazon and Huawei.
It's interesting we put sort of our people first, then our customers, and then our partners.
Yeah, and maybe there's an opportunity to really rethink the order of that, because ultimately, if we want to become a customer-centric organization, we have to put our customers first.
Yeah.
And so that could be a recommendation. I think at least it needs to be discussed. And then I think as well, it just needs to be recommunicated. So there needs to be some sort of campaign that goes out through workplace, probably spearheaded by John.
Yeah.
Can we do a video about it that just really brings that vision statement back to life? Everyone knows to open up the world for those who want to see it, but we need to bring this back to life because that is the direction that we're going.
Yes.
And then that way we'll encourage empowerment, encourage all of those things that we've just discussed.
Gives a lot of clarity in what people are kind of working towards.
And understanding. That's exactly it.
Yeah, cool. So that's number one.
Yeah, absolutely. I think the other big thing we took out of it, and especially looking at businesses like Amazon, was the use of critical feedback and just opening up avenues to give feedback. So I think implementing a software tool such as like the collaborative anytime feedback tool allows people to give feedback on their leaders, their co-workers, which does sort of initiate a real opportunity for improved performance. So it identifies areas of improvement, which is especially useful for remote managers who can't be there every day to know kind of what's going on within their businesses. It also kind of helps identify potentially there are some people that shouldn't be in our business, and we can identify that faster if we utilize a tool like that.
It's done real time, right?
Yeah, it's real time. Yeah, so it's an effective tool, and then it also kind of identifies potentially people that are right for promotions and really it just sheds a light on what people are currently good at and where they need to improve. So there's that internally. The other side of it is just getting more feedback from our customers. So obviously you both heard of Net Promoter Score. So it's being piloted in our retail business at the moment, but that's the best look at what is the customer perception of our brand. So we can really get behind that and just to recommend that we make sure we really invest in that. So if we're going to do it, let's do it well, and let's get a really good look at what do our customers think of our brand and how can we improve on that.
They're two really good ideas, I think. And if you get a chance, I think if you have a look at our white paper, it'll go through some of those in detail and some of the others.
Great.
Yeah.